Magandang araw ho. Ako ho si Victorino Lucilio at ito po ang aking recording sa Data Encryption Standard or DES. DES was initiated by Hosfestel. Hosfestel was a German-born cryptographer. He worked on the design of ciphers at IBM and received an award for his cryptographic works. His research at IBM led to the development of the Lucifer and the data encryption standard. IBM was a company, kumpanya na nagpo-produce ng software and hardware products, computer servers, ganun. Tong Lucifer naman is siya yung tawag sa mga unang civilian block ciphers. Festel was one of the earliest non-government researchers to study the design and theory of block ciphers. On 19th of March 1974, he received a patent for block cipher cryptographic system, an encryption scheme that laid the foundation for the data encryption standard. So dito sa next slide is, though IBM yung sinabi dito kasi nagwo-work siya sa IBM. Data encryption standard or DES is a symmetric key encryption algorithm that was widely used in the past for securing electronic data. It was developed by IBM in the 1970s and later adopted as a federal standard by the United States government. DES operates on blocks of data, typically 64 bits or 8 bytes in length, and uses a 56-bit encryption key. The algorithm applies a series of substitutions and permutations to the input data and the key to produce an encrypted output. The same key is used for both encryption and decryption, hence the term symmetric key. Although DES was considered secure when it was first introduced, advances in computing power and cryptanalysis techniques led to concerns about its vulnerability to brute force attacks. In response to these concerns, gumawa sila ng triple DES. Yung triple DES applies the DES algorithm 3 times using different keys, resulting in a more secure encryption scheme. It effectively increases the key size to 186 bits, making it significantly harder to crack. However, due to its relatively slow performance compared to modern encryption algorithms, the triple DES is gradually being phased out in favor of more efficient and secure algorithm like Advanced Encryption Standard or AES. Examples of how to encrypt data using DES. Sa example na to, ang programming language ko ay C++ at gumamit ako ng OpenSSL library para maging possible yung DES. First thing I did was to define the DES as 8 bytes. Then I created a buffer. Yung buffer is parang container lang para mas madali yung input tsaka output process. Final step was to make a condition whether to print or to handle the encrypted data. The DES encrypt function takes a plain text string and key as input and returns the corresponding ciphertext. Note that the size, yung size niya is 64 bits. Kasi yun yung kanang DES. Thank you for listening.